Imagine walking through a dense forest at noon. Sunlight pierces the leafy canopy, casting ever-shifting patterns on the forest floor. Each branch, leaf, or stone interrupts the light, creating a mosaic of darkness and brilliance. These natural forms shape intricate designs that change with every breeze or passing cloud. The interplay between light and dark not only enhances the forest's visual charm, but also influences how animals move and plants grow. This delicate balance, sculpted by nature, transforms ordinary moments into breathtaking visual poetry.